And remember when the angel said to Mary, O Mary, Allah gives you glad tidings of a word from Him. No doubt Allah chose Adam and Noah and the family of Ibrahim and the family of Imran from over the entire world. It is erased from one another, and Allah hears and knows. When the wife of Imran said, I make a vow to you for what is in my womb to remain purely in your service. Therefore accept this from me. No doubt you alone are hearing, knowing. Then when she gave birth to her, said, O my Lord, I have given birth to a female, and Allah knows well whatever she had given birth to. And that male whom she demands was not like his female, and I have named her Mary. And I give her and her offspring under your protection from Satan, the rejected. Therefore her Lord accepted her graciously and caused her to grow an excellent growth and give her under the guardianship of Zachariah. Whenever Zachariah went to her place of prayer, he found new provision with her. He said, O Mary, whence came this to you? She spoke, That is from Allah. No doubt Allah gives whomsoever He pleases without measure. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu said, Al-Imran, the progeny of Imran, are those believers who are of the progeny of Ibrahim, Yasin and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, Verily the more grateful clement of Abraham than all people were those who followed him. Al-Yaqub means the family of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. Basically this word is Ahl when the word Al is turned to its diminutive from we say Ahil. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu reports that he heard Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, No person is born but the Satan touches him, and due to its touch he cries, saves Mary and her son. Then Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu would recite this verse, And I give her and her offspring under your protection from Satan the rejected. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3431.